A lot of newbie traders to binary options want to know about the asset classes in which they can trade while trading in binary options. Well, there are essentially four asset classes in which you can trade in binary options. First, you have stocks, which include premier stocks like Facebook or Microsoft or Google or Apple. They can be just about any stock from anywhere in the world. Then you have commodities like you have oil, you have coal, you have metals like copper, iron. There's so many different commodities. You can even trade in pulses, food grains. So there are innumerable possibilities. Then you have entire indices or the stock indexes, of the world. You have the New York Stock Exchange, you have the Nasdaq, you have the DAX, you have the Bombay Stock Exchange. There are so many different stock exchanges from around the world, and when it comes to binary options, you can trade in practically any and every index around the world. And finally, you have currency pairs. Now, currency pairs, again, there can be so many, different kinds of currency pairs. Typically, what I have noticed, and most binary options brokers, what they offer is, like against the US dollar, you might have the euro paired, or you might have the British pound paired, or against the Australian dollar. So these are typically the more common currencies, but you can have so many different ones. The Japanese yen is often being traded against say the US dollar or the British pound or the euro. The euro may be paired against some other currency. So there are so many different possibilities. So these are the four asset classes which are typically traded when it comes to binary options. So to go over them once again, you have the stocks, then you have the commodities, then you have the indices, and then finally you have the currency pairs. Cheers.